hikers, my name is Kat and I'm your Los Angeles hiking virtual guide. And in this video, I'll be showing you exactly how to get to Millard Falls in Altadena, California. Now there are two places to park for this hike, one of them being a $5 parking and the second is street parking, and I'll be showing you both ways of getting there. The first option is a shorter hike. It's 1.5 miles round trip. It takes about 50 minutes with 330 feet in elevation. And for this option, you will need the $5 adventure pass. So be sure to stay until the end to find out where you can purchase yours. You're gonna start off by typing Millard Falls Trailhead, and the parking will be right below that. Parking coordinates are listed on the map as well as in the description section. This is the parking lot at 8 a.m. on a weekend. And the reminder to have your parking pass. You're gonna walk towards the entrance of the parking lot. We're gonna pass the Millard Campground on the way. And this is the road we drove down from. And this spot right here is where both trails connect. If you're coming from the street parking, which is option 2, this is where you're gonna come down from. After passing the campgrounds and the bathrooms, you'll see the sign for Millard Falls, and the trail pretty much dead ends at the waterfall, so it'll be pretty hard for you to get lost after this point. Now this part right here, getting over this dam, will probably be the hardest part of your hike, so ask for a hand if you need it or offer help if you can, and just take your time if you have to. You're gonna come to your first of about 10 stream crossings, and you can either try to use the rocks and logs or just walk across, depending on your footwear and comfort level. Today my hiking team includes an 8-year-old and a 3-year-old, in case any of you are planning on bringing kids. And if you like hikes with waterfalls or hikes for kids, or if you just want to hike different spots in LA County and want guidance like in this video, be sure to browse through my channel for other local hikes. The trail is eventually going to bend left, and you'll be able to hear the waterfall before you actually see it. It does get crowded on weekends. This was as we were leaving the waterfall, so if you want a little bit more alone time at the waterfall, make sure you get there early or come on a weekday. Getting back to our cars, the parking lot was pretty crowded, so you can either wait it out for the early birds to get back to their cars, or you can try your luck on the street parking, which brings me to parking option number 2. Street parking starts a little bit higher in elevation, so you're gonna have to initially hike down to the campgrounds. There are a few parking spots by the trailhead, but they're usually already taken on weekends. You're gonna go past the white gate and onto the Mount Low paved road. After hiking for about 5 minutes, you'll see the sign for the Millard Campground, and it's gonna be all downhill until you reach the campground. If you'd rather park at the lot, these are the 2 closest places that sell the $5 pass. And that is all I have for you today, so if you like this video, be sure to give it a like. But more importantly, if you want to see more of this type of content, be sure to subscribe. And if this video helped you in any way, be sure to follow us and tag us on Instagram at Hiker on a Trail.